Greetings everyone! Welcome to free-range chicken farming. Welcome to our video. In the realm non-existent. The concept of confinement is here. Chickens revel in expansive open spaces and cozy coops, mirroring the freedom of their natural habitat. The results? Eggs that boast both healthfulness and delectable flavor profile, boundless joy and vitalities. Witness these chickens as they thrive in their environment. Join us as we delve into the realm of egg production within free-range chicken farms and explore the intricate processes involved in the factory processing of chicken meat. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up. On-farm incubation and chick rearing constitute crucial phases in the realm of chicken farming. Nurturing chicks demand meticulous attention and expertise, starting with the selection of fresh, unblemished eggs endowed with fertilization, typically laid by hens that have been mated with roosters. The careful placement of these eggs, facilitated by machinery, the machine developed for this does its job perfectly. And security post-hatch. Sustaining temperature. Establishing an optimal environment conducive to hatching is of the utmost importance, as it is maintaining warmth within the range of 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. During the initial weeks is imperative for the well-being of the chicks, who also require unfettered access to nourishment and hydration. The provision of nutrient-rich feed abundant in protein and vitamins is essential for their growth. As they mature, chicks necessitate increased space and decreased warmth to thrive effectively. A free-range chicken farm offers a markedly different environment for chickens compared to conventional caged systems, resulting in reduced stress levels among the birds. Living in a free-range setting affords them a more natural lifestyle. Promoting overall health and well-being. The freedom to roam outdoors exposes them to ample sunlight and a diverse array of food sources, contributing to their vitality. Additionally, such farms operate with greater sustainability, generating less waste and requiring lower energy consumption. Ensuring the coop's construction prioritizes protection from harsh ventilation supports the chicken's comfort, weather conditions, and potential predators, while adequate The eggs produced in free-range systems are renowned for their superior quality, boasting enhanced nutritional value and eggs preferred for their health benefits, are readily available in marked distinctive, rich flavor profile. These organic egg parts and specialty stores, despite their lower production yield compared to cage counter. Chicken meat processing in factories. Live chickens are taken from cages or transport vehicles and slaughtered chickens are directed to special machines for feather plucking and ported to the slaughter line with automatic systems and other processes. The feathered chickens are ready to be cooled and cleaned. Chicken meat is preferred because it is cheaper and more accessible than other protein sources. Chicken meat production in the world has been increasing rapidly in recent years. 42% of this production is carried out by the United States, Brazil, and China. Chickens are cooled in cold water baths or air-cooled tunnels. Refrigeration extends the shelf life of chicken and reduces the risk of bacterial growth. Chicken meat can be a part of a healthy diet. Low-fat chicken meat helps reduce the risk of heart disease. Chicken meat is a good source to meet protein needs. Shredded chickens are placed in plastic or cardboard packages on automatic packaging. Chickens are divided into different parts such as breasts, legs, and winging lines. Packaged chickens are labeled and kept in cold storage. Chicken meat is also rich in vitamin A, B vitamins, and minerals. However, consuming spoiled chicken meat can cause food poisoning. Chicken processing in the factory consists of the stages you see. It covers a series of processes ranging from slaughtering live chickens to packaging them to reach the end consumer. Packaged chickens are kept in cold storage until the expiry date. In line with the orders, chickens are shipped to markets and other. The retail sales
Would you
points
try this
via
farming
cold chain
method?
transportation.
Or do you have any tips to share? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on new farming content. Thanks for watching DHGreen Farm. See you in the next one. Happy farming.